900 years ago, Song Emperor Gaozong announced that Xixi must be saved. Today, the wonderful scenery at the Xixi National Wetland Park is a major tourist attraction. But previously, excessive development had taken its toll on the park. In 2005, a conservation project was launched to establish the Xixi National Wetland Park. When Xi Jinping was secretary of the Zhejiang Provincial Committee, he sent a letter on the opening of this first national wetland park. He said wetland protection could help promote harmony between man and nature. In 2020, as president of the PRC, Xi Jinping visited Xixi again. He said the value of wetlands lies in what's primitive and they should not be sacrificed for the sake of tourism. China has more than 53 million hectares of wetlands, the most in Asia, but excessive economic development and pollution over the last century have damaged the habitats and affected their ecological functions. With concerted conservation and restoration efforts, together with a wetlands protection law introduced this year, China is shouldering environmental responsibilities as it strives for harmonious coexistence with nature.